how much time it will take to create a page like this. Okay, and even the page here is responsive. If I check the mobile view of it, here it is, and it is completely responsive, right? And here I had multi-select dropdown, right? And how much time it will take normally? It's like usually it takes 1 hour, 2 hours, like that, right? But using UI Kindle, you can develop a page like this with less than 10 minutes. I will show you how to do that. Open the UI Kindle, and here I am creating a new file, px.html. Here what I do is I'll go to the elements, general, and I will choose a div, resize it and make it 100% width. Okay, edit HTML, remove the text inside of it, and go to the edit content, and I will write here some text. Okay, and I will change the format of it to the heading 2, and I will put it in the center. Save. Now here I will add a multi-select dropdown. In this video, I am mostly going to use semantic UI elements. Go to the dropdown and I will use multi-select. Now the multi-select is added. So what I do now is I will go to the decorate section and I will change the background color. Okay, and even I change the text color to the white. Okay, and go to the padding and I will add a padding of 10 pixels. Okay, now select this drop down and go to the decorate and I will change its width to 75%. Change and go to the properties of it and align it in the center. So it will be in the center. That's it. Save it. Now what I do here is I will select the body. This is the main. See, this is the header that I created and this is the body. Click on it and it will be highlighted with the blue color border. Now if you check this, I added the menu here and here's some text, I mean a paragraph. So I will go to the grid section in the advanced and I will choose in the grids, I will choose this 25 and 75. Drag it and don't forget to make 100% width. Instead of it, just increase its height, edit HTML, remove this text, click OK. This also, edit HTML, remove the text, OK. Instead of it, what I do is I go to the semantic UI again and I will go to the menu section and I will add here vertical menu. It's added. And click on this vertical menu and go to the properties and align it to the center of the parent. So it is aligned in the center. And go to this, increase its height, and I am selecting this 75% is. And instead of it, I will again choose advanced elements and I will add text with header. That's it. The text with header is added. Okay. It's added. Save it. Don't forget to save. And again, what I do is I go to the grid section and I will add here 33, 33, 33 because I have to divide the this whole div into the three sections, 1, 2, 3, right? So what I do is I will select this 33, 33, 33. Selected, it's added to my console, and now drag it, make it 100% width, increase its height, edit HTML. Okay. Oh, sorry. Edit HTML. Edit HTML. Remove this. Here I added some users. Okay. So go to here. I shown this example with the edit content. Even we can add the HTML content using this edit HTML field. H4, press Control space. Okay, now here what I add is users. Okay, instead of it, I will go to the list, or even I can choose the labels. Go to the list for now, and I am choosing here more. Okay, here is added. Now what I do is I click on this edit HTML and I will remove some text. Okay, fine. And instead of it, what I add here is go to the forms, form elements, and I will add a basic form here. Okay, it's added. No need to worry. And here in this 33% is what I add here is go to the cards, card with content is added. Okay. Okay, increase its parent height. Okay. Okay, it's finished mostly. Save it. And if you run this in the browser, this is the output. So now what I do is I will place this in the center. I will select this element, not this. Go to the properties and click on the center of the parent and click OK and save. So it will be in the center always. And now, if you check this output, I added on social networks buttons. There's a predefined buttons called social network buttons. Before doing that, what I do is I go to the general elements and I will add a div. It is added here. Resize it and drag it to the position you want and make it 100% width. Now what I do is go to the edit HTML and remove this text first. And again, this edit HTML, what I add is here is h4 connect with us. Okay, and I think I need some padding. It's nothing but adding inner space. Okay, so go to the padding and I will give it as 8 pixels. Click OK. Some padding is added. Instead of it, what I choose is again I choose a grid with 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Okay, again go to the advanced and click this 25, 25, 25. So as I selected this element, so whatever I click now will be added to this element. So the grid is added. So I have to remove the text, edit HTML, remove it. Then removing for the individual element, click on the whole element and click on edit HTML. Now remove this H3 in every TI and click OK. Now I have this. Okay, what I do is I will increase its parent height first. Okay, in that what I add here is go to the semantic UI and go to the social buttons and add Facebook first, and next Twitter, and next Google, and next LinkedIn. That's it, finished. Decrease its height now. Okay, save it. And again what I added here is here a folder structure and some content with images inline and this DI. Okay. So again, I select the body and go to the advanced elements, go to the advanced and go to the grid structure, and I will add now this 33 and 67. It's added here. Okay, drag it, make it 100% width. Now edit HTML, remove this text. Okay, here also edit HTML, remove this content. Okay. Now here what I add here is just increase parent height. Don't forget that. In that, go to the list in the semantic UI and I add here folder structure. That's it, folder structure is added. And here I will choose image content and you can choose this content with image inline or image floated with text, whatever you need content with image inline. For now, it's added. That's it, it's completed. And again in the below, what I added is select the body and go to the card section. And in the card section, there is something like cards with button bottom. They are added here above. Just drag them and place it here and make it 100% width. So I want to place another card here. So for that, what you can do is select this, and I am unable to select the parent of this with the button. So, right? I have to select this and this button, right? Two elements, but I am unable to select this parent. Okay. Further, there is an option. First, select this and go to its parent. Select parent. So it will select the whole element. Because I here in this case I am unable to select its parent, right? Okay, so what I do is I click on the copy element and again select this parent and now click on the paste element. The element is paste, right? It's pasted here, right? Now save it. Okay, again what I want to tell here is select it and go to the decorate section and say that its width must be 80%. Okay, and go to the properties and say that it should be in the center of the parent. And now save it. Now if you reload it, oh sorry, not this. This is the previous and this is the new one. Okay, here it is. Right. But you can check a problem here. If you go to the mobile view here, this is not mobile compatible. Right. The elements are overlapped. So there is a problem here. We drag the every elements and we position them in different positions, right? So every element position is fixed. To make them responsive, just click on this add responsive. That's it. Save it now. If you check the mobile view now, it is responsive, right? And now I'm going to show you some another example. This is the image. Select it. I want to change this image from my local directory. So what I do is I go to the pictures and I will select an image, maybe this one. Just drag it and drop it. That's it. Image is updated. No need to worry about it. Okay. And now I will show you another example. On click on this add frame or on click on this join project, what I want to show you is I want to show you an pop-up, right? Go to the properties and say that on click open a model and give some model ID that should be unique something. Okay, close it now, save it. If you refresh the output now, if you click on the join project, it is showing you a pop-up, right? That's it. That's the magic you can do in minutes, in less than 10 minutes using UI Kindle. Thank you for watching.